Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and what you just saw is what this little guy can do. Blinker is super simple. You don't need an app, you don't need Wi-Fi access, and once you have your animation and color set the way you like, Blinker remembers it all. Unlike with other LED strip controllers, Blinker's animations are super easy to access and cycle through. There's no configuring hassle, just a button and a switch. Plus, with optional add-ons, unlock new possibilities of motion sensing, sound reactivity, and even fine color control. It's nice and compact, so it's super easy to take with you, or you can install it semi-permanently. And it has great animations for parties or just for a quiet night at home. Plus, it supports 5 volts, 12 volt, and 24 volt RGB or RGBW, individually addressable or otherwise LED strips with a wide array of densities from 30 to 300 pixels. But this LED strip right here is my favorite. You can buy it as an add-on, the maker's choice. Anyway, just a little bit about me. I'm a high schooler who's interested in electrical engineering, and I thought Blinker would be a cool project to help me explore it. In case it wasn't clear, I loved it, and now I've applied to a bunch of colleges under that major. But college is just a little bit expensive. So if you saw something you liked in Blinker, please back me. Every little bit helps. Plus, you get a pretty sick LED strip controller out of the deal. Because with its versatile functionality and easy use, Blinker is for everybody. Even my little sister loves her Blinker, and she hates everything I do. So don't wait, back Blinker now. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, I'm still recording.